Hi everyone, I'm Lauren. I wanted to do this on my computer, but it wasn't working, so hopefully it turns out okay on my phone. First things first, you'll notice that this eye over here is slightly trippy looking. It's because I had eye surgery on it a couple months ago, and in certain lights, it still looks like the entrance to Cerebra. So I have a bit of an odd background. I'm actually an engineer, or I was. We'll see how things go. My bachelor's degree is in mechanical engineering, and my master's degree, my first one anyway, is in systems engineering, and I have been in the space industry for the last few years. I actually quit my job to take this course for the summer because they wouldn't accommodate me taking any leave. So I was like, all right, bye. And we'll see what happens when I get back. I will still have to work, of course, while I'm going through this. So even though I've been in engineering, I've always been halfway in the art world. I've written poetry since I was in middle school. When I lived in North Carolina, I volunteered at an art gallery, got to be on the board, and eventually became president of the board. That was in New Bern, Eastern North Carolina, and I was actually the youngest and first African American board president. And while I was also there, while there, I also learned to do wedding planning. I was trained by a master bridal consultant through the Association of Bridal Consultants, and I actually had my certification and did my first wedding a couple years ago. I've since let that expired while I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. So I'm in Florida now. I did a bit of back and forth, and I've ultimately landed in Florida. And while working at NASA and Blue Origin and all the space stuff, I have been volunteering at Art Foundation there, and I accidentally founded a poetry show. I was asked to host one for February last year for Black History Month because, and people liked it so much that they asked us to do it every month. And it's grown to be something very big, something that is thought of as a safe space. And it's better than anything I ever thought it would be. So I'm very excited about it. So I'm finally in this space where I have this very dualistic personality, and most of my life has been embracing one side of it, and a bit in the other. And I decided it was time to just fully jump into the arts part of it and fully embrace myself. And we'll see what kind of career change, if any, I end up making. So with this course, I'm hoping to build on what knowledge I've been gaining working at nonprofits. Usually I'm in the volunteer role. I am emceeing an event, trying to be funny on stage while sweating on the inside. And yet people keep putting me up there. And I don't really learn so much of the background of things, like the budgeting, the fundraising, etc. I have gone and done some engagement by meeting other artists in the area when I was in North Carolina, meeting everybody that was on our art walk. But I do want to learn more about how to interact with the community in this course because it's definitely not one of my strong points. I'm hugely introverted. So I'm really excited about what we'll get to do for this course. I didn't feel like it was something that I could stay in Florida and do. It just wasn't going to be the same. So I'm in Fort Collins for the summer, and I'm pretty excited about it. And I'm excited to meet all of you. And we will see where that is my computer going off and on. Sorry. And we'll see where my life ends up. So I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.